Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can import SIM contacts on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Contacts. In the Contacts setting page, go down to the bottom and tap on Import SIM contacts. In here, select one of the accounts and select one of the accounts here. So I'm going to choose Gmail or iCloud, and then it will immediately import contacts stored on your SIM card to the cloud account. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.